Hey guys, Jenny Jean here, and so video number 4 is my 4th visit, and that was on June 28th, 2019, and this was the one that Joe got to go with me. So he got to see the ultrasound, and we looked at the follicles to make sure that I had no cysts on my ovaries, so that was good. Didn't have any of that. My FSH was checked and it came back at 6.09. If your FSH is under 10, you are good. If your FSH is between 10 to 15, that's concerning. If it is 15 or higher, like 15 to 20, that means you have a low reserve of eggs. My progesterone was at 0.242. My LH was at 6.61, and my estradiol, which is my estrogen, was at 31.06. Let's see, and so your two biggest things are your FSH, which again mine was at 6.09 and under 10 is good, and your AMH, which between 1 to 4 is normal, and mine last month when I had it checked was at 3.64, so that is good. Then I had some outside blood tests done. So I had my antithrobin activity was at 106%. Antithrobin antigen was at 83%. Protein S was at 94%, and the normal for protein S is 60 to 150. So if you have a low protein S, that means you could be prone to getting blood clots. My protein C was at 85. The average is 70 to 140. My DRVVT took 33.7 seconds. So if you have less than 42 seconds, you're good. That is for clotting purposes for your plasma. My homocysteine plasma was at 7.8, and the average is 5 to 15. If you have a high number for that, that means you could have low folate, you could be low in vitamin B, and have low thyroid. I also got checked for factor 2, which is a clotting disorder, and that was negative, and lupus, which all came back good. Then I am waiting on a factor 5 because I have factor 7, which is a clotting disorder in my family. So I wanted to make sure that I don't have it, or if I do, that they know how to counteract that after surgery when you have the eggs retrieved. And then I will go into what we went over for the meds. You guys, I have so many meds. This is crazy. Okay, so you get your meds. I had a whole bunch here. I got 4 things of Menopur, 4 of them. Then I have my Ganirelix. I have 6 of those, and I have 4 of the cartridges of the Follistim. And then you get your, for your shards, you get a whole bunch of needles and packs to wipe off with, to sterilize everything. I have my trigger shot in here, which is your Pergonal or something like that. And then I have my meds for after the retrieval. You get this fancy little case. This is for your meds. See, this is my pen for my Follistim. You have meds. These two, the Follistim and the Ganirelix, are what goes into the refrigerator because they have to stay cool. So yeah, that is a ton of meds, you guys. Like, look at all that. That's a lot of meds.